What's up, bros? I have added to my crypto bags and I wanted to keep you guys up to date. Now, if you watch the 9 a.m. or you watch the 3 p.m. live stream, then you'll know some of the picks that I have picked up. But for those of you who are just getting introduced to the Investing Bros universe, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and smash the like button. We're going to start off with Ethereum, the second largest crypto in the world. Now, Ethereum you've probably already heard of, so you don't need to know the base case for this here. The fundamentals speak for themselves. It's a $3,000 coin speaking today on April 15th. We're right in the middle of a pullback, of a big dip. And let me show you on the charts why I am buying. This is the weekly charts. Coming back, we have already wicked down to the midline of the Bollinger Band. And yes, we have come lower. But what is going on here is a dip, right? So if we zoom into the daily chart here, and you can see that indeed Ethereum is actually trading now below this channel. Now you might be thinking, but T-Shroom, why would you buy something that's going lower? Well, because I anticipate this going much higher. The other thing to consider is that my average entry for Ethereum is much, much lower, somewhere down in the 2000 region. So that's my first pick. It's Ethereum. Is it exotic? Not at all. It is a very, very safe bet when it comes to crypto, but that's the one of my five here. The second one, you're going to be very familiar with it. It's Chainlink. Chainlink is a $7.9 billion coin here. It's actually ranked number 16, and Chainlink is an oracle. It's actually one of the leading oracles, and even last year, actually, a very serious contender for the oracle vertical, the oracle category. Pith was launched, but so far we've only seen upside for both of those names. Now in the dip, this was one of the coins that I wanted to go ahead and buy up. This is Chainlink, and this is what it looks like this year, or this is the yearly chart. This is what it looks like going all the way back to 2018. So as you can see, it has climbed quite a bit, but recently, man, has taken an absolute haircut, and that is where I have wanted to get in. So Chainlink, let's look at it a little bit more drilled in on the charts here. Chainlink coming in at $13.48 here with the live quote. From the tip, we can see from the wick all the way down to the wick, 50% pullback so far in late March to early April. That's significant. To the live price, 40%, right? So this is one of the bigger names in crypto. I wanted to absolutely scoop up some more while it is down this low. If we zoom out to the monthly chart for Chainlink, you can see that this baby has been trading outside of the top line Bollinger Band, and now it is actually back within it, and it is even maybe even taking a look here at the midline of the Bollinger Band for the monthly chart. However, I would say this is a great buy here at this level, $13 and almost 50 cents. This is definitely one I could not pass up buying. Let's go over to Stacks. This is my next pick. Stacks, a $3.6 billion coin, currently number 27 on coin market cap by market cap. You can see here the circulating supply is at almost 80%, right? So decent tokenomics here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this actually is. It's a Bitcoin layer 2. Stacks is the Bitcoin layer for smart contracts and enables smart contracts and decentralized applications to use Bitcoin as an asset and settle transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. So Bitcoin layer 2, BRC20, is a huge narrative in 2024. It's one that we've been keeping an eye on very closely. And if we look at Stacks out on the monthly chart, I've got the monthly chart here pulled up. You can see that we were outside of the top line of the Bollinger Band here as well. And since the month of April, we have actually seen wick to wick 46% sell off and a 35% to the live price. Now, this is another one we might be thinking, well, T-Shroom, it's going lower though. What the heck are you doing? Going on to the 4 hour. Yes, it is going lower. But you buy low, you sell high, bros. And right now, this is the time to be awake and be buying crypto if you have the opportunity, if you have the risk tolerance, and if you have money that you can afford to lose, right? Because this baby can fly. The BRC20 narrative is very, very hot, and it's only going to get hotter, in my opinion. And as you can see here, all of the indicators are showing that this is beginning to be in a very good buy zone. Let's check out the MACD here. The MACD lines are actually accelerating to the downside, but these red histograms are starting to plateau. Are there signs that this could go lower? Absolutely. Money flow is continuing to flow negative here on the daily chart for stacks. But ultimately here, guys, you have to buy in at some point. I didn't have any exposure to stacks, and now I do, right? This was one of the ones that I bought. Now going on to the next one here, Ondo. So Ondo, this is one of the smaller ones that I've picked here. This is a $1.1 billion coin by market cap. It's currently number 73 here on the list of rankings, coming in at 85 cents. I picked this one up for 82 cents. Didn't have any exposure to it at all. Have been really impressed with the price action on it so far. This is going back to February. Now this is a coin that has not been out for very long, okay? So keep that in mind, but it's already on Coinbase Exchange, Bybit, KuCoin, Uniswap. So it's got a bunch of listings already. Now what does this do? Ondo token holders are entrusted with shaping the future of Ondo DAO so that it continues to pursue its mission of democratizing access to institutional grade finance. The Ondo DAO gives Ondo holders specific rights pertaining to Flux Finance, which is currently governed by the Ondo DAO. What does all that mean? Well, that's an explanation of what it is, but the reason why I'm buying is because it has a name association with BlackRock, and that is a big name right now in crypto. It's an even bigger name on Wall Street. So that is not one that I wanted to miss out on at all. Taking a look at the charts, this is actually a newer coin as well, and you can see the MACD lines are actually the highest are in the past, so no longer plateauing here like on stacks. The MACD lines have actually gone, histograms, excuse me, have actually gone ahead and decelerated, and it looks like a bullish cross is starting to emerge. Down on the Lux Algo oscillator matrix, you can see money flow is positive, flat with an ever so slight upslope, which is nice to see. But there's been a sudden jerking to the upside here on the daily chart, which is nice to see for sure. So could this one go lower? It absolutely could go lower here. I don't know that I would buy a whole lot more than this. Than what I bought. I like it right where it is, and I'm gonna keep my allocation where it is. But this is a good one. Ondo, I really like the association, the partnership that it struck up with BlackRock. Moving along here, BitTensor here. This one's a little bit of a weird one to try to pronounce. BitTensor is really, really innovative. Ticker TAO. This is Tau. Currently valued at $527 per coin. And you can see that this is actually a $3.4 billion coin already, and it's already number 30. So in the top 100. And as you can see, it's a pretty new coin as well. This one goes all the way back to April, and even a little bit before April of 2023. The very original origins back to March of 2023. Okay, now what is this one? What is BitTensor all about? BitTensor is an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain-based machine learning network. Machine learning models train collaboratively and are rewarded by Tau according to the informational value they offer the collective. Tau also grants external access, allowing users to extract information from the network while tuning its activities to their needs. Now, we're going to be putting a much bigger video on this one very, very soon, a deep dive, if you will, into BitTensor. But for now, it is one of the more bullish coins on CoinMarketCap. Folks are buying it like mad, and right now it is actually on discount. If you look at the daily chart here, you can see that this baby is down. It has wicked up all the way up to 780 and has since retraced all the way down to 32% on this crazy news that we've gotten from the geopolitical tensions. Guys, take advantage of this moment here in the run up to the Bitcoin halving, right? We know that in 2024, crypto prices are likely to go much, much higher. And these are some of the names that I have a lot of solid conviction in. Some of them are newer, right? Some of them have not even had their opportunity to spread their wings and fly. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll be putting out much more videos like this of what we are buying. Let us know in the comments, do you like this style content? If you're just tuning in, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash the like button and subscribe. consider subscribing. Yes. Have you ever had a YouTuber ask you to subscribe? Well, maybe I'm the first. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm T Shroom. And again, we go live every single day. Every weekday, that is, 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me know, did I pick some good coins or did I pick total trash? I can't wait to read your comments.